We should not miss it. We should cheer up and enjoy the sun. I, Tanya Sharif from grade 9 with students of my class, wishing you all a very cheerful morning. Today, we have gathered here on the occasion of Special Assembly on Armed Force Flag Day. Every sunrise is a new start and a new beginning. To welcome our new beginning, I would like to call Nafisa for welcoming address on this special assembly.
Good morning, one and all present here. I heartily welcome our beloved principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here for the special assembly to celebrate National Flag Day. The aim for this special assembly is to provide the knowledge on the special day, that is the National Flag Day, the special assembly. Thank you. Have a wonderful Tuesday.
Of everything that's happening every moment now. For that, I would like to call Sadia Alka for importance of the day.
Everyone. Importance of Flag Day. The Armed Forces Flag Day, also known as Flag Day, is commemorated for Indians to express its gratitude and appreciation to current and veteran military personnel of India, and to acknowledge those who died in the service to the country. On the Flag Day, all three branches of the Indian Armed Forces, the Indian Army, the Indian Air Force, and the Indian Navy, arrange a variety of shows, carnivals, dramas, and other entertainment programs to showcase to the general public the efforts of their personnel to ensure national security. The Flag Day is mainly observed to serve three basic purposes: rehabilitation of battle casualties, welfare of serving personnel and their families, resettlement of welfare and ex-servicemen and their families. Thank you.
Thank you, Sadia. It was very informative. New morning is a new beginning and a new hope. We need to give full efforts to achieve our goals because there is no shortcut to achieve success. A small positive thought can change our life. So to brighten our morning assembly, I would like to call Yatish for thought of the day.
Everyone, thoughts for the day. Sometimes you'll never know the value of the moment until it becomes a memory. I repeat my thought. Sometimes you'll never know the value of the moment until it becomes a memory. Thank you.
Thank you, Yatish. Your thought was motivational. Now I would like to call Mudabbir to talk about National Flag Day.
One and all present here. Myself Mudabbir Pasha. I am here to speak a few words on the special day, Indian Armed Forces Flag Day. We believe our flag is more than just a cloth and ink. It is a universally recognized symbol that stands for liberty and freedom. It is the history of our nation and it is marked by the blood of those who died defending it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mudabbir. It was very motivational. The strange but true facts prove that the world really is a strange, magical and a mysterious place. Here is Sayeda Mariam Fatima with interesting facts.
Good morning everyone present here. Today's amazing fact. The Indian Army controls the highest battlefield sight and laser in the world. It is 5,000 meters above the sea level. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Amazing. Thank you for increasing our knowledge. To update ourselves every day shows your awareness towards our nation and society. News makes us understand what is happening around the world. So to enlighten us, here is Ruman with latest news headlines.
Good morning, one and all. Today's news. Italy tightens COVID restrictions for unvaccinated. All New York workers must have vaccine by year end. Far-right French candidate grabbed at rally. National news. Protest to start in Rajya Sabha. Amit Shah says absurd things mislead people. Get lot attacks from minister. 85% of eligible population receive first COVID vaccine dose. Sports news. South Africa board announced revised schedule for India tour. Virat Kohli worship test match. Weather forecast. Minimum 18 degrees Celsius, maximum 27 degrees Celsius, partly cloudy. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
And for updating us. General knowledge is the key of success and an important aspect in our daily life. It helps us to know the things which is happening in and around our surrounding. To assess your knowledge, here is Sakiba Sultana for the quiz.
Hey everyone, today's quiz can we state the Armed Forces Flag Day is observed? Correct answer. Who said this statement? A flag is not only a symbol of our independence, but also the freedom of all people. The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Which color remains at the top while hosting the national flag? Answer is saffron. What is meant by white color used in national flag? There is truth and purity of thoughts. Under which article did the Supreme Court declare the right to hoist the national flag as the fundamental right? Wrong answer. Answer is Article 19. What is another name for Flag Day? I repeat my question. Answer is Armed Forces Flag Day. On Indian flag is in what color? Blue. Correct answer. Colors are on the chakra in Indian flag. Correct answer. How many lions are standing back to back in state emblem groups? Correct answer. What is the national game of India? Correct answer. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.
Pledge imparts feeling of nationalism among us. Let's all. So for pledge, I would like to call Sayyada Zainab Fatimi.
And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai.
On this successful accomplishment of Special Assembly, I would like to call Arabia to deliver vote of thanks.
One and all. On this successful accomplishment, it gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this special assembly on Armed Force Flag Day to all dignitaries assembled here. First of all, I would like to thank our beloved Principal Dr. P. Saru Lakshmi ma'am for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to thank all our worthy teachers for taking part in this auspicious event. At least, I would like to thank all my dear fellow friends for making this assembly as a grand success. Once again, I thank you one and all present here. Thank you.